Remaining
Pass
time
to
6 minutes and 20 seconds.
Darski.
14 to shoot.
Shot. Foul committed by jersey number 4.
First personal foul, third team foul.
Act of shooting. Take 2. First throw. Not good. Players ready rebound for the second throw.
Remaining time 6 minutes and 14 seconds.
Darski for the second throw. Not good. Rebound by Iran for 2. Not good. Line up a foul. Same ball. Darski
12 to shoot.
to Junior Alex to Junior
10 to
Cotto.
shoot.
Not good. Rebound by Letek. Intercept by Junior Ricot to Darski. To Iran to Edward for 2. Not good. Rebound by Junior Alex to Darski. Darski dribbling the ball to Junior Ricot for 2. 2 points by Junior Ricot. Kentoy dribbling the ball.
5 minutes and 40 seconds.
Loose ball. Time out. Cold. Bounding the ball to Iran, jersey number 18. Dribbling the ball to jersey number 22. For 2, not good. Okay. Same ball. Same ball.
11 to shoot.
A lot. Rebounding to Darski. Okay. Foul. Jersey number 22.
First personal foul, warning for
Pushing.
penalty.
First throw. No good. Players ready to rebound for the second throw. Darski for the second throw.
5:19 remaining time.
Counted. Body the ball to Kentoy. Kentoy. Okay. Foul. Jersey number 22. Black. First throw by jersey number 10. Good. Counted. Players ready for rebound for the second throw. No good. Rebound by Kyle. 2 points by jersey number 8. Eduardo. Dribbling the ball. Harassed by Justin. Bentayan ni Elmer. Edward. Okay. Loose ball. Diretso.
Remaining time 5 minutes left. 5 minutes.
Team. Cap that ball. Go. To Kyle. Intercept by Alon to Darski to Edward to Iran for 3. Not good.